Here is another question from one of our viewers. They wanted to know how many floor joists they could drill through to install plumbing pipes for a new bathroom remodeling project they were going to do to their home. And obviously I can't provide you with that information. I can provide you with building code requirements. I can provide you with examples on how to install the plumbing, the slope for the plumbing pipes, and different ways to do it. And that's what I'm going to do in this video here. So let's go ahead and pretend like we're going to install a bathroom over here. And there's no way we can possibly get the plumbing pipes through the floor joist, and for a variety of different reasons. So let's just go ahead and assume that we can't do anything with the existing floor joist. We're not going to be able to build any drop ceilings to cover any of the plumbing pipes. We don't know what to do. We're kind of in between a rock and a hard spot. And what I would suggest, if that is the case, would be to find out where the plumbing drain goes out of the house, or where the plumbing drain might end. And this could be at the back or the front of the house. Your plumbing pipes could drain out of the back of the house or out of either side of your home. However, most of the time they're going to be draining out of the front of your house towards a street and into a sewer. And if that's what you have, you can break out your shovel and start digging a hole around your house and install plumbing pipes from this side, not through the floor joist. And in some cases, something like this is going to be a little cheaper. And of course, most of the time, it will prevent you from damaging your floor joist. So let's just go ahead and take a quick tour. We're going to need a fitting here. This is a combo fitting where we have a 4-inch pipe on this side, a 4-inch pipe on this side, and we're coming out with a sweep combo or a long 90. And we're going to break this down to a 3-inch pipe. You might consider using a 4-inch pipe for this. However, in this example here, we are going to go around the house with a 3-inch pipe. And the minimum slope for the drainage pipe is going to be 1/4 of an inch per foot. And you might be able to get away with just installing one pipe. You might need to install another pipe or even a few more. And you can usually do it like this with, again, another combo sweep fitting. Here we're going to have a 3-inch fitting reducing down to a 2-inch fitting, and then a long 2-inch 90 or a sweep 2-inch coming up here. And then we're going to be coming out here with a 3-inch sweep or a 3-inch long 90. Again, another 3-inch long 90. And then we're going to come up to a clean out. We're going to need a clean out at the end of this line here. However, I don't think you're going to need a clean out here. However, you would need to check with your local building department to verify that information. And of course, you might need to modify some of the floor framing, some of the wall framing to get your pipes in here. And that might require cutting a notch out of the rim joist or maybe cutting a slot into it. And something like this is probably going to need a strap, especially if you have a break in the wall framing here. But I would imagine you're going to need either a long strap to go all the way through or a strap that's going to go from here to here and then from here to here. So plan on putting some thought into that also. You won't need any straps at the bottom here. However, you might need to install some new sill framing bolts, and those bolts might need to be epoxied in. And as always, the information in this video is not meant to provide you with all the information you need to do something like this. However, it is meant to provide you with a good place to start and another tool for your home remodeling toolbox.